Hello, what's up, baby girls? It's your girl Pinky. So today we're gonna be doing something different. So on TikTok, I'll be watching a lot of people be eating this. What I'm about to do. So I'm craving it, so I had to go to the store and I got me some. So you're interested, and it's gonna be a short video. So if you guys are interested, you already know what to do. Make sure you guys subscribe and go to my Rumble channel. So so today I actually am gonna be doing talking today. So yeah. All right, let's get to it.
The world is not prepared to face a being from another planet. You have to have a lot of patience.
What's up, baby girls? Welcome back to Unique Alien Pinky Makeup. All right, so for this, I found this bowl right here. You're gonna need some watermelon. Well, I already cut it some in pieces over here. I got me a banana. Hi, puppy. And I got me some dragon fruit. This became one of my favorite fruits. It's bomb duty. I also got 2 cups of these right here. And we got some strawberry milk. And we got some Sprite. And we got some cup of ice. And this is no kind of ice, man. This is the crunchy ice from QT. You know, I love this kind of ice. It's bomb diggity. So I am excited to try this. I am kind of curious. I wonder if this is gonna give me diarrhea because sweet, milk with this lemon Sprite. I don't know about that, but it does looks good. It does. So I'm gonna get my spoon and I'm just gonna put in some ice. Okay. Alright. So I put some ice in there. Alright. Here I got my knife. I'm gonna start with the watermelon. I'm just gonna cut it like that. And I'm just gonna cut it in pieces. So in pieces. I'm gonna continue doing it. Hold on, a little bit down. Alright, so I'm just gonna put the India. Bam. Bam. This is one of my favorite foods, sandia. I freaking love me sandia. Sprinkles came in the house today. Whoop whoop. And I had to give her some sandia. Bam. Oh. My sprinkles is good. She's getting really tall. I'm going another piece of the watermelon. I'm just gonna cut it like this. Bam, and just keep doing it again. So my mom's in the room right now watching a movie. So after I get done making this, I'm gonna try first, and then I'm gonna see if she likes it. I'm curious how this is gonna taste. I think it's gonna taste funky because soda and milk equals chorro, diarrhea. But we'll see. We'll see. cutting into some pieces. Okay. Next, I'm gonna cut up the dragon fruit. Bam! Look how beautiful the dragon fruit looks. I'm just gonna put it in the middle. Bam. Anybody have you guys tried dragon fruit? Like, I love dragon fruit. It tastes amazing. Like, I love it. Most people don't like it. It's freaking expensive. But I'm gonna leave it in. I'm gonna grab me some while I can. Bomb diggity. Just in there. It's gonna be that piece there. And I'm just gonna go another piece from this banana. Ah, my winner! And I'm just gonna, bam. I'm just gonna go with the other piece of the banana. Alright, so I put in some banana. Okay, now I'm gonna put in some of this. Oh, yeah. And then I'm just gonna pour it. Same thing with the other one. I'm just gonna pour it. Oop. Alrighty. So I got the milk. Dang, you can hear my neighbor's kids. Alright, I can't open that. Here it goes. What? Kind of nervous because. Dang. My bad, you guys. You guys can hear kids crying? That's the neighbors. That's the neighbor's child. My child is a little rat. She be running around. But right now she's in her cage. I do not know how much I got to put in. But I'm just going to put that much. And here we go with the soda. Bam. Alright, just that much. I pour half and half. Let's put that for now. Because I do not know. And I'm just going to mix. And I'm just going to put the rest of the ice. Alright, fuck it. King Kong on this bitch. I'm just going to break it. Oops. Damn it. Let's get this. So hard to get this plastic stuck to the ice. Yes. Oh, it goes flying away. Let's see. Okay. Oh, there we go. Just dump it all in there. And I'm just gonna mix it up. Oh shit, my banana and flour. Oh shit. Oh damn, I'm making a mess in the kitchen. I'm about to beat the fuck out of me. Dang, this shit looks so good. It even smells good. Alright, I'm about to set meat down. So half of the soda and half of the milk. I do not know how much I needed to put. I'm not sure you're supposed to put the whole thing. I don't know, but let's mix. Alright. Let me try. One up a tea. Dang. It's my peak. I love this crunchy ice. Oh, I got something in my face. Let's go. Mmm. Wow. No way. Okay. Mmm. Mmm. Well, I did not expect this at all. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. I mean, the ice. Crunchy. Mmm. Yeah. It is just, mmm. Mmm. This is the shit. Mmm. Wow. I did not expect that. This is not being addicted to this now. Forget the cereal. I was thinking of getting some cereal, but oh, forget the cereal. Oh yeah. And then just try the dragon fruit. This is the dragon fruit right here. Wow. So right here we have banana and watermelon. Wow. Shit, I don't even think I'm gonna share with my mom. I'm gonna eat it all up. This is better than cereal. And I don't really like cereal. I have to be in the mood to eat cereal. And I don't really like sweet stuff. By the way, this is some yogurt that I got. And it's like low fat free. And it's white yogurt. And it comes with Kit Kat. Also with M&M's. And Snickers. That shit's bomb. And it's not even, it just tastes bomb diggity. This is way better than that though. Banana. Now let's try the juice. Wow. Watermelon. I think I'm gonna eat it all and then get that to my mom. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna take her so she could try it. You guys definitely have to try this, baby girls. It's bomb. Especially the dragon fruit. It's pricey, but so worth it. I gotta stop eating it. Especially with this crunchy ice. This is bomb diggity. Bomb diggity. I'm gonna start doing more crazy snacks for you guys to try. So this is definitely for you guys. Are gonna like it. Wow. Soda, Sprite, and pink milk, which is the strawberry. I did half and half. Well, hell yeah, now I'm gonna grab more. Mmm. So this is definitely a perfect snack before I go to bed. I think when I wake up, I think I'll be eating this every day now. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. Alright. I'm gonna take some to my mom so she could try it and let's see what she thinks. I'm pretty sure she's gonna like it because I did not expect it to be this delicious. I did not expect it, but it came out bomb diggity. Bomb diggity. So this is way better than what you call it, cereal. But that peanut butter crunch does look good over there. So today I went and got my mom some great. I got her some of that cereal for her, cornflakes, and I got me some of that peanut butter. That looks good, but this is a must. I wanted to make this since yesterday, but I wanted the watermelon to be a little phrased up, you know, it tastes good, so it don't be too hot. And this watermelon is delicious. I love watermelon. And dragon fruit, this was fire, so this is definitely, you better do it at home. It could even be, amazing. Alright, thank you girls for watching this short video. I will see you guys in the next video, and we'll see what I should do next. Maybe some spicy noodles. I'm about to say needles. But yeah. We'll see what I make next time. Alright. Peace out. Anytime I'm about to get ready for bed. Peace out.
Alright, thank you baby girls for watching. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe to me on my Rambo channel. See you guys next time. Peace out.